Welcome to LP SmartSide Installation Tips. What you're about to learn can be used as guidance when repairing butt joints that were not spaced correctly and may be causing your lap siding to buckle. You want to remember to space all ends and butt joints a minimum of 3/16 of an inch. Let's begin with the remedy process. You will start by using wooden wedges to separate the affected piece of lap from the overlapping piece above. To protect the house wrap from this next step, you may use a piece of metal sheeting to slide behind the lap siding. Using a keyhole or reciprocating saw with a fine-tooth blade, remove enough material from the end of one piece of lap siding in order to provide at least 3/16 inch space. If any area of the siding has been forced to deflect away from the wall, face nail only that area to flatten the piece back against the wall. Be sure to properly caulk and paint all exposed nail heads. Remove all loose debris, sawdust, and leftover caulk from the expansion joint to smooth out the cut ends so that the surface is prepared for finishing. Using a brush, prime all exposed wood fibers in accordance with installation instructions. Be sure to follow the coating manufacturer's application and maintenance instructions. Seal the gap with an ASTM C920 Class 25 sealant. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and backer rod requirements. Finish the repaired area using an exterior paint consistent with LP SmartSide installation instructions. Be sure to follow the coating manufacturer's application and maintenance instructions.